This is Yvette from Mixed Media Mayhem, etc. And this is our second week with our journals prompts from Kylee Coo and Nina Ribena. Our first week we made this beautiful cover. The second week we're going to make the signatures. Now to hold my signatures in, I have these leftover hair bands that I bought at Dollar Tree. Now the color pink didn't work well for my last project that I used the rest of the hair bands for, but they look really good on this one. So I'm using pink. For papers, for the signatures, I cut them down ahead of time so that you didn't have to watch me cut all these signatures. But I have some some papers that were decorated with ink sprays. I've got some paper that has music that my sister gave me that has music stuff on it. I've got some basic writing, some basic manila colored flavor, some children's writing paper, sketch paper. I've got some graph paper, some coffee dyed paper, and some more of the spray paper, but this is just a small one inside. So that's 8 pieces of paper, and each signature is almost the same. Of course they're all different because you can't make two things exactly the same. Now for my signature covers, I'm using more of this paper from my granddaughter, and I simply cut those down, and so that's heavier. It's a heavier paper. It's made from watercolors paper. So let me put those in. Okay, I'll simply put the covers on, and now we're ready to put the signatures in. The nice thing about using elastic or hair bands is that you don't have to do any sewing. You can sew the signatures together if you want, but I'm going to choose not to, so that when I'm decorating the pages I can take them out easily and put them back in. More importantly, put them back in easily. And you simply slip one side of your pages in, and voila, you have a signature. It's quite easy and quite fast. This is going to be a short video today. Voila, there I am. There it is. The 3 signatures. I can take them in and take them out easily. I can just take one out and work on it, or I could take them all out and work on it. As long as I keep them in order, we're good. Alright, so that is my video for today. Nice and short and sweet. You guys have a really good day. Be creative, be kind, be caring. And if you like this, if you got value, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. Thank you. Have a good day.